In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack for community building. Whether you're managing a customer community, an online course group, a professional networking club, or any other type of vibrant online gathering, Slack is an excellent tool to foster engagement and keep everyone connected. Let's dive in by creating a dedicated Slack workspace for your community. This is your virtual hub where all the interaction will take place. Begin by choosing a workspace name that clearly represents your community's purpose. This could be something like Customer Community Hub or Professional Network Connection. Once you've settled on a name, the next step is to invite your members. You can do this easily by sending out email invitations or sharing an invitation link. This ensures that everyone who needs to be there can join effortlessly and start connecting with others. Once your workspace is set up, it's time to organize it using channels. Channels are an essential feature because they allow you to keep conversations focused and organized by topic. Some examples of channels you might create include hashtag announcements for important updates, hashtag introductions for new member introductions, and hashtag general for day-to-day discussions. You might also want to consider having a channel like hashtag help for questions and support or hashtag resources for sharing guides, templates, and useful links. For social interactions, an hashtag off-topic channel is perfect for casual conversations. It's important to use clear channel names and write concise descriptions so members know exactly where to post their messages. Clear organization makes it easy for everyone to navigate the workspace and participate actively. As new members join, welcoming them warmly is crucial. A personalized welcome message is a great start. Encourage new members to introduce themselves in the Introductions channel, and take a moment to share your community guidelines with them. This sets the tone for participation and helps people feel included from the get-go. Direct them to important channels and key resources right from the start. An inviting onboarding experience can make a significant difference in their engagement and comfort within the community. For storing and sharing documentation, Slack canvases are incredibly handy. These are like miniature pages or documents within Slack that can hold a variety of information. Use canvases to store things like community rules, which will help set expectations, frequently asked questions to preempt common queries, event schedules, and helpful resources. Onboarding guides are also great to have here. Ensure these canvases are pinned or shared in relevant channels so everyone can easily access them when needed. Finally, hosting events is a powerful way to build community engagement. Use your Slack workspace to announce, organize, and even conduct virtual events like webinars and meetups. These events provide opportunities for members to connect more deeply, learn from each other, and collaborate across various topics. In sum, building a community with Slack is all about creating a structured, accessible, and welcoming environment. With the right setup, clear communication, and a focus on engagement, you'll have a thriving community space in no time. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into advanced tips for optimizing community interaction on Slack.